Hey guys, how are you all? In this video, I'll show you that if you're facing problem like there is low volume on your phone's ringtone or you cannot hear your ringtone, that is not enough to alert you that you're getting a call. How can you solve that issue? Firstly, the first step is to check your sound and haptics on your iPhone that there is on the full volume of your ringtone, of your alarm, or of your message, and all the alert services are up to full volume or half volume or the maximum volume on your iPhone. So for this, just need to go on the setting option of your iPhone like this here, and after that we will scroll to the down. There you will see an option called sounds and haptics. Click on that option and you just have to check that. You can also see there is ringtone and alert volume option. If this is down or if it is low, you just have to switch it on the full, and after switching on of the full, you can just see that your phone is now on the full volume of alerts. You will receive any call on the full volume right now. After that, the second step is to check if your phone is on silent from the button of left on the top of your screen of your body, and here you just have to switch off your silent mode if your phone is in silent. So these are some steps by which you can just make your silence call as an alert call. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it. Please subscribe the channel if you liked, and we will meet again with next and the best video with all of you. Keep watching, keep loving.